In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your ratings and reviews on the App Store on iPhone. If you've rated apps or written reviews before, Apple gives you a simple way to look back at them and manage them whenever you want. This is useful if you want to update an old opinion, fix a review, or remove something you no longer want attached to your account. To get started, open the App Store on your iPhone. Once the App Store is open, tap your profile icon at the top of the screen. This will take you into your account area where you can access different settings and purchase-related options. From there, look for the Ratings and Reviews section and select it. When you open it, you should see a list of the app ratings and written reviews you've previously submitted using your Apple account. This section acts like a history of your feedback, so you can quickly check what you've reviewed in the past without needing to search every app one by one. After you find your reviews, you can tap on one to manage it. Depending on what you want to do, you may be able to view the review, edit the written text, update your rating, or remove the review entirely. This can be especially helpful if an app has changed over time and you want your review to better reflect your current experience. There's also another way to find a review if you only want to check feedback for one specific app. Open that app's page in the App Store, then scroll down to the Ratings and Reviews section. If you've already submitted a review for that app, you can locate it there. This method is useful when you remember the app but don't necessarily want to go through your full review history. If you don't see the Ratings and Reviews option in your account, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, make sure you're signed in with the same Apple account that originally submitted the reviews. If you're using a different account, your past ratings and reviews won't appear. Also, if you've never rated or reviewed an app before, that section may not show up at all. And depending on your iOS version, the option might appear in a slightly different place, sometimes under View Account. Once you find a review, simply tap it to make changes. You can update the star rating, edit the text, or remove it completely. And that's how to view your ratings and reviews on the App Store on iPhone.